Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by enabling location on your device and choosing high accuracy. This gives the app the best satellite data. Once done, install GPS Essentials and immediately grant location and storage permissions so waypoints and tracks can be saved. Make sure to calibrate your compass using the figure-8 motion and select your preferred coordinate format, because consistency avoids errors later. While you wait for a satellite lock, place the device outdoors with a clear sky view to get a stable fix. You now create and manage waypoints. Tap Add, give a clear name and icon, and adjust coordinate precision for your use. Next, start track logging and pick an appropriate interval and accuracy filter to balance battery life versus precision. Enable auto-pause to skip stationary time. Make sure to switch map modes depending on movement, compass for heading or north up for orientation, and load offline maps before heading out, because networkless navigation depends on pre-downloaded tiles and stored waypoint data. To finish, stop your track and save it immediately, then export as GPX or KML with timestamps and metadata so other tools can read it. Make a backup by uploading to cloud storage or copying files to your computer. Sync routinely to avoid data loss. If you notice accuracy issues, move to an open area with a clear sky, toggle the device GPS off and on to refresh satellites, and enable WAS or AGPS where supported. This single troubleshooting step often restores reliable fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.